how to add categories on Weebly. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add categories on your Weebly website. So let's get into it. First of all, open up your weebly.com and you will open up your editor, your builder where you are creating the website. So you can see this is my website that I'm creating on Weebly, and I will show you how to create categories. For that, you guys need to go to the build option. In build, we have different elements that we can add. Scroll down and you will be able to find the categories right here. So you need to select categories, or what you can do is you can actually drag and drop it on your website. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drag the categories and place it right here. So a category section will be created. And now we need to do some of these settings for the categories. All right, so we create categories for a store that we have. So what we need to do is we can select different categories that we already have, or what you can do is you can create on your store different products that you have. So I have selected this one. Select it, and then you have to select if you want to go with grid and single rows. I'm going to go with single row. This is for the store, and it will show you the categories of your shop right here on your website. Click on done. It will be added right here. Of course, you can now customize it. You will be able to manage your category, change your layout, change your background color, and you can just customize this section to create categories of your products. Click on manage categories. Again, you will be able to create new categories here. Let me quickly show you that. You can see, select the category, create it, and then you can add it. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.